I'd like to share one powerful psychological trick to make anyone fall for you, using my true personal love story as testament to the power of this persuasion technique. Here's how my wife fell madly in love with me. Before we got married, my wife had countless suitors who were attracted to her physical beauty. After several relationships, she got a steady boyfriend back then, and she was about to get married to him. But before they tied the knot, her then cheating boyfriend got another girl pregnant. My wife was devastated. Her ego was shattered and she was humiliated in front of her relatives. 2 months after the unfortunate incident, she met me, lucky girl. I was attracted to her right away and I started courting her. In 1 month's time, she became my official girlfriend. I didn't know then why she would say yes to me that fast, when she actually told me it took many months for all her previous boyfriends to get her sweet confirmation. I researched and found out what could be the main reason for her fast decision. I discovered that because my wife's ego or self-esteem had been hurt, I appeared more attractive to her than if her ego has not suffered in the first place. I actually told my wife about this, but she insisted that it was my kindness and charm that won her heart. Nonetheless, this phenomenon is backed by research. Of course, you would not want to deliberately hurt anyone's self-esteem. Please use this info ethically and responsibly. But what you should do is be aware of opportunities when your target person's self-image may plummet below normal levels. Look out for these signs. 1. When they had an embarrassing experience. 2. When they are in the company of people who, they feel, are more attractive. 3. When they had been rejected by their lover. In any of these incidents, your attractiveness level is higher so you have better chances of captivating your dream person. This is just one of the hundreds of persuasion secrets revealed in my 418-page course, How to Be an Expert Persuader. See description below to find out more. If this video benefited you in any way, please smash the like or subscribe button, comment below, or share this video to help more people improve their relationships.